Join me and let's see if cayenne pepper really has any benefits for prostate health. Cayenne pepper has been touted as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues, including prostate health. But what's behind the hype? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the evidence and explore whether cayenne pepper can really make a difference. Prostate issues are a common problem for many men. As we age, the risk of developing benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, increases significantly. This can lead to symptoms like frequent urination, difficulty starting or stopping the flow of urine, and even pain during urination. It's no wonder that men are searching for natural remedies to alleviate these symptoms and support their prostate health. One of the most frustrating things about prostate issues is the lack of effective solutions. Many men are turning to natural remedies in the hopes of finding relief from their symptoms, and with the growing interest in alternative medicine, it's essential to separate fact from fiction. As we explore the potential benefits of cayenne pepper for prostate health, we need to rely on solid scientific evidence. So let's take a closer look at the properties of cayenne pepper and what the research has to say. Cayenne pepper is a spice made from the seeds of the capsicum pepper plant. The active component, capsaicin, is responsible for its signature heat and is also believed to have a range of health benefits. But what does the research say about capsaicin's impact on prostate health? Studies have shown that capsaicin has anti-inflammatory properties, which could potentially help reduce inflammation in the prostate gland. Additionally, capsaicin has been shown to have antioxidant properties, which could help protect the prostate from damage caused by free radicals. But what does this mean for men with prostate issues? One study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that capsaicin significantly reduced symptoms of BPH in patients with mild to moderate symptoms. Another study published in the Journal of Urology found that capsaicin inhibited the growth of human prostate cancer cells. While these findings are promising, it's essential to note that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of cayenne pepper on prostate health. While the research is still in its early stages, the results are certainly intriguing. Cayenne pepper may have a role to play in supporting prostate health, particularly in reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. However, it's crucial to remember that cayenne pepper is not a cure-all for prostate issues. In conclusion, cayenne pepper may have some benefits for prostate health, particularly in reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. However, more research is needed to fully understand its effects. As with any natural remedy, it's essential to approach cayenne pepper with a critical eye and consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your regimen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to help support our channel. And if you're interested in learning more about prostate health, be sure to check out our other videos on prostate health.